Hi, everyone, and welcome to OrderMinds, a fully managed freelancing platform designed specifically for part-time earners and serious professionals. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire journey of becoming a freelancer on OrderMinds, from signing up and subscribing to getting work, submitting content, and withdrawing your earnings. To keep things simple, we've broken the video into 4 easy-to-follow steps. 1. Registration and subscription. 2. Getting work orders. 3. Completing the order. 4. Withdrawing earnings. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Registration and subscription. Visit the website. Open your browser and type OrderMinds in the search bar. From the search results, click on the official website, www.orderminds.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice several navigation options like Home, About Us, How It Works, Freelancer Hub, and Contact Us. Feel free to explore these sections if you're new. They'll give you a good overview of how the platform works. For now, let's focus on the Freelancer Hub tab. Go ahead and click on it. Scroll down slightly and you'll see 3 important options: Freelancer FAQs, Subscribe as Freelancer, Freelancer Login. We highly recommend starting with the Freelancer FAQs. It's a great way to understand how the platform operates and what's expected from you. Once you're ready, click on Subscribe as Freelancer. This will take you to the Verify Your Email page. Enter your email ID here. Once you've entered your email and clicked on Verify Email, you'll see a message asking you to check your inbox. So head over to your email and open the message from OrderMinds. Inside, there'll be a button that says Verify Email Now. Click on it to confirm your email address. Once that's done, just come back to the website, and now we're ready to begin the 4-step registration process. Basic details. First, we'll fill out some basic personal information. Start by entering your full name, followed by your 10-digit mobile number. Then, select your state and city from the drop-down list. Add your date of birth, and choose your gender. Next, enter your highest qualification, and let us know if you have any prior experience in content writing. Even if it's just a little, it helps us understand your profile better. Finally, create a strong password and confirm it. Once everything looks good, click Register. Choosing your work category. Choosing what kind of work you want to do on the platform. You'll see a list of categories like content writing, logo design, data entry, graphic design, video editing, full-stack development, and more. But just a quick note, at the moment we're only onboarding freelancers for content writing, so if you're here for writing work, go ahead and select content writing, and then click Save and Continue. Topic preferences. Next, you'll see a range of content topics to choose from. By default, we assign content writing topics from either ongoing client or in-house projects. But if you want tasks that match your interests, you can set your preferences here. Pick the content writing topics you're most comfortable writing about and mark them to green. And if there are some you'd rather skip, you can mark those in red. Our system will try best not to assign the topics which you prefer not to work. Just make sure to select at least 4 topics to continue. Now don't worry, even if your preferred topics aren't immediately available, you might still receive work on other subjects. But if you've got basic content writing skills, you'll be able to handle them smoothly. You can even change these topic preferences any number of times in your Freelancer dashboard later. Once you're done, click Save Preferences and Continue. Subscription plan. You'll see 3 plans currently available: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Basic plan is great if you're just starting out. Standard plan is perfect for those with a bit of experience, and the Premium plan, ideal for professionals who want regular work and faster evaluations. If you're new, we recommend going with the Basic plan to start things off. But if you're confident and ready for a higher workload, the Standard or Premium plans are also great choices. Let's choose Basic plan now. Click on Subscribe to Basic. Click Proceed to Payment, and you'll be taken to the payment gateway. You can pay using UPI, QR code, net banking, cards, whatever works best for you. Once the payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation on screen, and you'll also get a GST invoice sent to your email. You're now officially registered on OrderMinds. Your profile is ready and you can receive your first work order. Part 2. Getting work. Let's log in using your registered email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your Freelancer console, your personal command center for everything. Here's a quick tour of what you'll find. Dashboard, your starting point, giving you a snapshot of your activity. Workspace, this is where the action happens. Request new orders and get to work. My earnings, track what you've earned so far and withdraw your earnings anytime. Knowledge Hub, dive into resources to improve your writing game. Test your skills. Sharpen your edge with short skill-building tests. Support, need help? Raise a ticket or chat with our support team right from here. And don't miss the Account and More section at the top right corner. View or update your profile, change your password, choose or update your preferred writing topics. Check out or upgrade your subscription plan. Add bank details to receive your payouts. So now that you're all set up and familiar with the dashboard, it's time to grab your first order. Navigate to the workspace. It's where you'll manage your tasks, track progress, and get new writing orders. Inside the workspace, you'll notice two sections: current orders, where your active assignments will appear; previous orders, your archive of completed work. To get your content writing order, click on the Request New Order button. It's up there on the top right. You'll receive a work order assignment tailored to your preferred content writing topics. Step 3. Completing the order. After requesting for new order, you receive a content writing task titled How Emotional Expression Through Cultural Dance Connects Generations. Its status is assigned. Its due date is 26 June 2025 at 12:27 p.m., meaning you have 3 days to complete this task. Max payout, 115 rupees. Click Open to view task details. You see order details, such as order ID, task ID, project ID, and other items. You have to note down few of the items in this field before writing content on this topic. The title of the topic is How Emotional Expression Through Cultural Dance Connects Generations. Get input from your description to understand it better. Discuss how cultural dance serves as an emotional bridge connecting past, present, and future generations. Note down the keywords such as emotional expression, cultural dance, bridging past, present, and future generations. Note that this topic is from Art and Culture category as you had chosen in your topic preferences during your registration process. This also shows you other information such as assigned at and due date. Work submitted after due date will not be evaluated and will not be eligible for payouts. Maximum payout for this particular content writing work is 115 rupees. Please note that the final earnings depends upon the quality of work. Required word count for this particular content writing work is 1,000 words. However, it allows a 10% buffer to keep things practical. Breaching this word count range will not pass quality checks and will impact your payouts. It also mentions task guidelines to be followed while writing this content. Please read it thoroughly to ensure you submit quality content as per the requirement. Write quality and original content, keeping in mind all the above-mentioned parameters. Submit the work here in submission text. You can either write your content directly here or paste it here if you choose to write it offline. You click on Submit Work button to submit your work. There is also a Give Up button which you can click if you wish not to work on this order and get new task instead. However, there is a limit on how many tasks you can give up based on your chosen subscription plan. Please refer to Freelancer FAQ section to get answers to all such questions. Now let's submit a sample work. Click on Submit. It asks for confirmation. Confirm it. You note that once you confirm it, you will not be able to edit your content writing work, so check everything before submitting. Done. You have successfully completed your first content writing work. You can now track it under your previous orders page. To withdraw your earnings, your order must be evaluated first. Start by checking the previous orders page to see the current status of your submission. If the status shows under review, it means the evaluation is still in progress. Click Show to view the order details. Since it hasn't been evaluated yet, the score fields will be empty. Please wait while your order is being evaluated. This usually takes anywhere between 2 to 12 hours. If you're on a premium plan, your tasks are given priority and may be evaluated in as little as 2 hours, though this isn't guaranteed. Once your order is evaluated, the status will update to completed, and you'll be able to proceed with withdrawing your earnings. Your order has now been evaluated as the status has changed to completed. You can now click on Show to view its detailed analysis. It displays the evaluation summary for order ID 116. You can see the evaluation parameters and comments. Your order was evaluated based on parameters such as due date, word count, language, plagiarism, and content relevance. You can also see the formatting score, grammar score, SEO score, and manual evaluation score. The total score is out of 100 points and is the sum of the above 4 parameters: formatting score, grammar score, SEO score, and manual evaluation score. The score obtained for this task is 93, which directly affects your payout. A score of 93 means you will receive 93% of the maximum payout, which is 93% of 110 rupees. That is 106 rupees 95 cents. To withdraw this earning, please first add your bank details to which you wish to withdraw the amount. To add bank details, go to Account and More. Click on Bank Details. Add your bank details here. Click on Add Bank Details. Enter your bank details such as account holder name, account number, IFSC code, bank name, account type, and an optional UPI ID. Click on Preview. You will see a confirmation window displaying your entered bank details. Click on Confirm and Save. Please note, no OTP will be sent during this process. If your bank details are verified, you will see a message saying, Bank details added successfully. Now go to My Earnings in the sidebar menu. You will see 3 sections: Order-wise earnings, Payout summary, and Payout transactions. Under Order-wise earnings, you can see how much you have earned for each order. For the recent order ID 116, the earnings are 106 rupees and 95 cents. Click on Payout Summary. You will see total earnings and withdrawable balance. You can see that you have received 106.95 for your recently completed order ID 116. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then click on Withdraw. A confirmation prompt will appear. Once you click on Confirm, the payout will be made to your bank account. Under Payout Transactions, you can view all the transactions you have made. You will see 2 transactions. One shows that you received 106 rupees 95 cents as earnings for order ID 116. The other shows that you withdrew 100 rupees to your bank account. That's it. That wraps up the complete walkthrough on how to get started and thrive as a freelancer on OrderMinds. For answers to common questions, explore the Freelancer FAQs, and don't forget to check out the helpful links in the description below. Take the first step, dive in, and start building your success with OrderMinds today.